What time is it? 12:30. I have an hour. Yes, let's do this. Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. All right, I got this really fun pot of gold inspired makeup look, and if you want to see how I accomplished it, stick around and keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button, and of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, we're going to continue on priming all over the face, lips, and of course, eyelids. Once that is all nice and primed, I'm going to set it with some powder and then get ready for the shadows. Once I've added the tape, so I have a really nice sharp edge, I'm going to start to create the rainbow in my crease. Now I'm going a little bit higher since I have hooded eyelids. If I go too low, you will not be able to see those colors. So I'm going to lift them up really high and then start creating and blending the rainbow really nice and seamless. Once I have my rainbow completed and it's nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting a little more into the crease so I can add the black base before the black shadow. So once I have that kind of outline, I'm going to pick up the jumbo black pencil and then fill that in, and then with a concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out a little bit into the rainbow. Then picking up a nice matte black shadow, I'm going to pack that on and just get it really nice, deep and darken. And then I grabbed a nice detail brush to go right along the edge, just kind of clean it up. Now with some Duraline from Inklot and a nice gold shadow from Melt Cosmetics, their Smoke Sessions palette, I'm going to mix that together and create eyeliner, this beautiful gold color. And now the big moment. Woo! Look at that sharpness. And now for the other side. Now once both sides are complete, off camera I'm going to do my brows and then my face. Now for my face, I'm going to go ahead and conceal any problem areas I might have right now, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. I'm going to set it with some powder, and then I'll continue with my contour and blush. For my under eye, I'm going to blend out a nice medium shade brown, and then with a darker brown, I'm going to add that to the outer third. Now I wanted to jazz up the line right there where the darkness and the rainbow connect, so I picked up a nice glitter liner from Decay, and oh my gosh, I absolutely loved how this turned out. Yep. I feel real lucky. All right, off camera, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara to the top and bottom lashes, of course my falsies, then set it, fan it out, and after I set, I love adding highlights. So we're going to hit all the spots. After adding this beautiful lipstick combo, I'm going to work on my curls. So releasing the beast right here, I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm not going to focus it to my ends. I want to stay closer down to my root. And then I'm also going to add some of my favorite body and hair oil. This stuff smells amazing, and it's from That's That Magic. Now once I whip my hair up and it's a little bit wet, I'm going to grab that rat tail comb and smooth it back some. And then once I have it nice and smooth to my liking, I'm not going crazy smooth, just a little bit so it's a little more under control, I'm going to start to create the updo. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair one time through, twist once, and then I pull it straight backwards and pull the hair forward, and boom, just kind of fluff, move the curls around to my liking, and then it is time to slick back just a hair more, and of course you can't forget the curly cues. And that is it, all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this fun pot of gold St. Patrick's Day inspired look, and I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care.
So, you're here to help us, right? Can you give us
Whoa.